Do you need to make organic videos to make money with YouTube ads? In today's video, we're going to talk about the real answer and how to use it. In case we haven't met before, my name is Brandon Dillon with ResponseFlood.com, where we use YouTube ads to sell coaching and software and services. And I found that this is one of the biggest sticking points for a lot of advertisers, or I should say potential advertisers. And the reason why so many people are hesitant about starting with YouTube ads. They want to know whether or not they need to make organic content in order to get results. The reality is you do not. And I'm not just going to give you the answer. I'm actually going to base this in reality and show you some examples of massive advertisers that are not doing content marketing with organic videos on YouTube. So let's hop into my computer and I'll show you exactly what I mean here. So let's start with the brand that created my all-time favorite video ad, at least to date. Dollar Shave Club. So you know about them, they're massive. And if you go to their channel and look at the oldest videos, the ad I'm talking about is the last one here. You'll notice there's a spread between when they launched that video ad and when they started to release more organic-y content to the channel. So they got their initial growth, their acceleration from video ads alone. That's all that existed on their channel. Watch this video when you get some time. And by the way, as a side note, this video has high production value. You do not need high production value videos to make YouTube ads work. If you know my other content, you know that messaging trumps production value almost always. But in this case, they had the cash to spend, they invested it, and they got a great return from it. This brand was sold, I believe, last year before getting turned private, and they sold it for $1 billion. So a second example would be Purple Mattresses. The first real hit they had came about 8 years ago, 40 million views on this video ad. 4 of their initial 5 videos were video ads. So a very video ad heavy channel. Another perfect example. You do not need content to get sales and to scale up a video on YouTube ads. This brand has a current market cap of about $100 million last I checked. And then final example here is Umzu. So this is a supplement company, and their channel, even to this day, is essentially barren. They have 2 videos that they released within the past 3 months. Neither have had more than 100 views. They do have a shorts that they're releasing, but these mostly are new as well. And if you were to come to the channel, you would think that maybe they're not even active on YouTube ads, but that's not the case. Most of their YouTube ads are set to unlisted. Give you an example of one. Here. There we go. And this video was published 2 years ago, 1.7 million viewers. And just kind of as a side note, you don't get that sort of viewership without making decent money from the ad. This is another perfect example. To come back to the original question, do you need to create organic content to make YouTube ads work? No. There are so many different examples out there of multi-million-dollar companies that grew with YouTube ads without a single piece of organic content on the channel. If you don't want to make organic content, you don't have to. You can still get results from YouTube ads. But should you create organic content if you're running YouTube ads? Well, there is no should. You should do whatever you want. It's your business. But what I'm personally doing, I'm way more bullish about going into 2025. And what I'm suggesting to all of my clients is that they do create organic content alongside the video ads that they're running. Why is that? In this day and age, people are starving for connection. And there is no better way to create and nurture that connection than with organic content. And I do believe that this is going to be amplified as AI becomes more prevalent in our day-to-day life, but that's a video for another day. So anyway, I hope you found this video here valuable. If you did, go ahead and like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.